Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
So we are here to launch Akash IACST, that is Instant Admission cum Scholarship Test. This test provides up to 90% scholarship to the students taking admission in Akash Institute, and this is instant. That means a student can appear for this test as per his or her convenience. आप किसी भी दिन अपने हिसाब से इस टेस्ट को अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड द स्टूडेंट विल गेट अप टू 90% स्कॉलरशिप अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज और हर performance in the test. So this is about IACST. Result will be declared just after the test. This is the poster. The students from class 7th to 12th can appear for this test. It is on both mode. Student can appear for online as well as offline.